Hello everyone, here I am again. Today I came with a very nice place which you can visit with your children, toddlers, and also by yourself if you like to see the planes flying in front of you. Around Munich, there are so many places where you can go and watch several things, but I think this is one of the delight which we as a family really like it. It's not far away from us. There are different spots where you can basically sit and watch the planes. There's also a playground based on airport theme, which is also free to use. And if you can see here, it just reminded me of Rawalpindi, where earlier you could see the planes like this here. There were no walls, but now there are walls, so you can't see them. So it's a kind of delight for your eyes basically. So basically here you can see the domestic flights flying, domestic and also within EU, and it's really very beautiful. If the weather is nice, you can go with the stairs. It's a kind of hill where you can sit. There are even benches there where you can sit and watch, and it's a delight basically to watch it. Like being children, we always fascinate because we have never flown with the plane, and we always used to fascinate about planes and watching them pretty near. So I think this is one of the very nice place to be and watch it with your own eyes. And the drive until there, it's very beautiful. You can see the trees on right and left and the blue sky. So it's a kind of nice drive until there, which I also liked and I can also recommend. So just pack your bags, go and watch the whole video because there are many places where you could see the planes flying. I wish you all a nice day. Keep watching, sharing and liking my channel. And I'm really happy that you guys like my stuff. Thank you. Bye bye.